Have you ever heard a song and you wanted to remove the voice, you wanted to remove the drums, you wanted to remove the bass, something inside this music you didn't like? Now we can do that using DaVinci Resolve Music Remixer. So that's what I'm going to show in this video. So I recorded like a video of me sitting in the toilet talking. I wanted to put some awful music in the background, but I didn't really like the bass, so I can remove that. And then you're like, oh, that is awful, right? We have to remove some of this stuff. Let's remove the drums because they are like definitely annoying. And then the drums are gone. But now we're like, what the fuck, Palle, right? So we'll go and we'll remove that. So that is what we can do with the music remixer DaVinci Resolve. So how to do this? You go down, you take your clip in your timeline, drag it down there, then you go up, click audio, then you go to AI Music Remixer, and then you can remove the voice, remove the drums, remove the bass, remove something else, remove the guitar, or you can make it higher or lower. And that's it for this video. Subscribe to the channel if you like the content. There's a playlist with more DaVinci Resolve videos up here with AI. If you like the video, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.